Welcome to AI Chain Reaction, the podcast where we unpack the incredible world of artificial intelligence and automation. Each week, we're diving deep into the tech that's reshaping our lives, our businesses, and our future. From groundbreaking innovations and the latest industry news to practical strategies on how you can leverage AI automation for growth. We're covering it all. We'll be joined by leading experts, innovators, and thought leaders who are at the forefront of this digital revolution. Are you ready to explore how one small change can set off a massive chain reaction of progress? Then you're in the right place. Let's get started.
Welcome back to AI Chain Reaction, where we explore how small and mid-sized logistics providers can supercharge their operations with AI-powered tools. Today, we're following up on a podcast episode 10, where we explored using AI for automated shipment tracking. Today, and in the next few episodes, we're going to explore this down in detail as you would in a pilot project, if this might be a good project for your situation. So think of this as a mini-series. This will be a 6-part series of episodes that all tie together. We're starting the series today, and in the last episode of this mini-series, we'll give you some general tips as well in case you're thinking how this process might also apply to some other similar processes you might have. Then for the following episodes in the series, we'll have an example related to this topic that we break down, explain how we approach it, and discuss the tech in order to complete it so we can tie it all together at the end, and what you'll learn out of this series. So again, we're talking about AI-based shipment tracking, in other words, track and trace, and why it matters now more than ever. Imagine a busy port or warehouse yard with stacks of containers, trucks, and inventory everywhere. AI-driven tracking lets you make sense of all that chaos in real time. It ingests data from GPS, carrier APIs, RFID, tags, and even emails or portal updates, and gives you an up-to-the-minute picture of every shipment.
So basically, instead of manually checking each carrier's website or waiting for a phone call, AI just grabs all the latest info for you. Is that right, Nick?
Exactly. Traditional tracking methods are often manual and siloed. You'd have to log into multiple carrier portals or parse through a stack of emails, time-consuming and error-prone. With AI and automation, those tasks become continuous. As one industry report puts it, AI-powered shipment tracking is revolutionizing the logistics industry by providing real-time visibility and enhanced decision-making. In practice, that means fewer surprises like unexpected delays and happier customers because you can proactively manage expectations.
Nice. What about ROI? Small operations care a lot about cost savings. Does track and trace AI really pay off for them?
It does. When you reduce manual labor on tracking, you reallocate those hours to higher value work. Plus, studies show big picture benefits. Companies that adopt advanced analytics and AI in logistics can cut costs by around 15%. That includes savings from fewer lost shipments, optimized routing, and faster handling of issues. And don't forget customer trust. Getting timely updates on a package builds loyalty. One automation firm notes that timely shipment alerts foster trust and loyalty by keeping customers informed.
Nice. Can you give us a concrete example of AI tracking, even if it's just a hypothetical one for now?
Sure. Suppose a 3PL handles international shipments. Traditionally, a coordinator might spend hours each day checking carrier sites and spreadsheets. Instead, they set up a low-code workflow, say with tools like N8N or Zapier, that automatically parses email notifications from carriers and writes status updates into their TMS or Google Sheets. The AI can even predict if a truck is going to miss a checkpoint based on current location and historical delays and flag it for review.
Sounds pretty useful, but how do you start here? Do I need machine learning experts and tons of data?
Not necessarily. You can begin small. Bots can handle a lot of tracking tasks. For example, a simple bot can scrape tracking numbers from emails and hit a carrier API or portal for status. You can add ML layers, say a text parser for unstructured emails, or anomaly detection to catch exceptions. The key is real-time updates instead of waiting hours or days.
Yeah, to sum it up, AI tracking centralizes data and automates visibility. Sounds like it could really scale up operations.
Exactly. When done right, AI tracking becomes an essential tool for competitiveness. It turns raw data like GPS, scanned barcodes, and emails into insights. And for SMBs, even a 10 to 15% efficiency gain can make a big difference in tight margin logistics.
Awesome. That's a great overview of what AI shipment tracking is and why it's important.
So for key takeaways, we have real-time visibility. AI tracking pulls data from GPS, RFID, carrier systems, and more to show each shipment status instantly. The next one is proactive alerts. By analyzing updates continuously, you spot delays or issues early instead of reacting hours later. And the next one is cost savings. Early adopters see significant savings through efficiency and fewer errors. Providing timely status updates builds loyalty and reduces "where's my order" inquiries. The following one is start simple. Even basic bots like email parsers or portal scrapers can kick off AI tracking before adding complex ML. If this sounds useful, subscribe and let us know your challenges. In episode 2, we'll dive into automating manual status checks with AI-powered tracking agents. See you next time.
And that brings us to the end of another episode of AI Chain Reaction. Thank you so much for tuning in and exploring the incredible world of AI and automation with us. We hope today's discussion sparked some new ideas and gave you valuable insights into how these technologies are shaping our future. Don't let the conversation stop here. What was your biggest takeaway from this episode? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing from you. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. For more resources and to learn how AI automation can transform your business, visit us at wintersAIsolutions.com. Thanks again for being part of our community. Until next time, keep innovating and stay curious.